Hi again, time for another cooking video. This time I'm going to do a top sirloin using Sous Vide, which is French for under empty, meaning underwater and empty of air. So I've put my steak in a Ziploc and sucked the air out with a straw. I've salted and peppered it maybe about 4 hours ago. Now I'm going to put it into my slow cooker that I've heated up to 137 at the moment, and then I've turned it off. This must be a bit of hair in there. The sink. The air will come out of the bag if you let it. There, that's about it. So it's at 137. I've turned it off because it would heat up too much. I'm just going to come back in half an hour and check the temperature. Probably have to turn it on again. That's what I do, check it every half an hour. Turn it on for 10-15 minutes, turn it off again. And it'll be done in about 2.5 hours. So I'll get back to you. Okay, it's been half an hour since I powered it up last. I'll just check on the temperature again. And it's 134. 135. Okay, nothing to do. I'll come back in about 20 minutes and see what it's doing then. Okay, it's been 2 hours now, and it's time to check the temperature of the meat itself. I brought the water up to 145 because this meat was mechanically tenderized, which is really not a good idea, but it's all they had. They have a machine or something that pokes holes in it to tenderize it. But it's not really good for bacteria. Anyway, I'm going to check the temperature of the meat. See if it's 145 or not. It's 142. 143, yeah, that's good. So I'm going to sear it now with my grill. Take a look at that in a second. Okay, I'm going to sear it now on my griddler. Just pat it down and dry. Dry here. That about 2 minutes, I guess. Both sides at one time. How efficient. In 1 minute, I'm gonna shift it a little bit. Some interesting grill marks and make it look better, I guess. Okay, 2 minutes are up. Just a split into 2 pieces. Plate. My veggies. Okay, let it rest a little bit. I'm not sure if you're supposed to, but I did. So let's take a look inside. Feels pretty tender. It's 145 inside, so it's pretty good. Medium rare, I guess. Let's just try a bit. Whoa, that's good. Tender too. Well, see you later.